Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to copy images and text to the clipboard from a web page in Samsung Galaxy S25 and in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Before starting this video, please subscribe for more videos and watch complete video.